Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a unique product, a 15-pod Mystic hydroponic system, a growing system. It's an indoor garden, so let's check it out. So here are the seeds right here. It's a pack of seeds. I have strawberries, tomatoes, radishes. So I'll be putting the seeds into these pods right here. And it has these sponges right here and some nutrients. This came separately. This was not included. I have the 15 pods hydroponic growing system kit. It's a unique misting system design. So let's get it out the box. Inside the box, you get everything you need to start growing right away. The 15 pod hydroponic growing system, a planting panel, power adapter, pod labels, nutrient solution, grow domes, grow sponges, growing baskets, and a user manual. Alright, so here is the hydroponic growing system out of the box, and first off, the design honestly looks really sleek. It almost looks like something from a sci-fi movie. You've got this adjustable LED grow light on top, a clean black finish, and a touchscreen LCD control panel right on the front, which gives it a premium feel compared to a lot of cheaper hydroponic systems online. The grow light is height adjustable, which is very important because as your plants get taller, you can raise the light to give them more room to grow. And since this is a 15 pod system, you can grow multiple plants at the same time. So how does the misting system work? Now, what really makes this system different is the misting technology. Instead of just soaking roots in water like traditional hydroponics, this system sprays a nutrient-rich mist directly onto the roots. Another big plus is the 6-liter water tank that's actually pretty large for an indoor hydroponic system, so you don't have to constantly refill it every couple of days. Now this is great for beginners. This setup is meant to be low maintenance. Now to get started, to prepare the seeds, you have to soak the seeds in water for 6 hours. Then you have to soak the sponges for 30 minutes. After that process, then you take the seeds and place them on a paper towel. Then you could take the tweezers and start putting them in the sponges. But first you have to put the 15 growing baskets into the holes. Then you can put the 15 grow sponges into the growing baskets. Finally, you can start adding your seeds. Don't forget to add your A and B nutrients. Cover them with the grow domes, add your potting labels, and you're ready to go. It's a waiting process, like these herbs versus vegetables, and the LED lights are designed to mimic natural sunlight. That means you can grow plants year-round, even during winter. Or if your space doesn't get much sunlight, this would be great for you. Another thing I like is how quiet the system is. Some indoor gardening systems can sound like a fish tank or a small running fan all day, but this one stays pretty quiet. There are usually different grow modes depending on what you're planting. So who is this misting system for? I think this growing system is perfect for beginners getting into hydroponics, apartment owners, homes, people with limited outdoor space, or honestly anyone who wants fresh herbs in the kitchen year round. And because everything is mostly automated, you don't need to be some expert gardener to use it. So here are my pros and cons. The pros: sleek modern design, 15 pod capacity, smart misting system, large 6-liter tank, adjustable grow light, and easy touchscreen controls. My cons are it does take up some counter space, and depending on what you grow, taller plants may need trimming eventually. But overall, this feels like a really solid, smart indoor garden setup. If you've been wanting to start growing herbs or vegetables or flowers indoors without dealing with traditional gardening mess, this might actually be one of the easiest ways to do it. So let me know down in the comments what you'd grow first in this system. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.